Have you ever noticed how the same story can be told in two totally different ways, creating two totally different vibes? That's the power of framing. It's like putting a filter on a photo. The picture stays the same, but the filter changes how we see it. And in the dating world, framing can be your best friend. So what is framing exactly? It's all about highlighting certain parts of yourself, your experiences, or even your intentions to create a specific impression. Think of it this way. You could say, I work in customer service, or you could say, I help solve people's problems and make their day a little brighter. Same job, different vibe. One sounds kinda meh, and the other makes you sound like a superhero. So how does framing help in the dating world? Well, it can totally change how your date sees you and the potential of your relationship. This is for a few reasons. 1, first impressions matter, right? The way you present yourself, your stories, and your interests, it all adds up to that first picture your date forms of you. You don't have to be fake, but it's definitely smart to put your best foot forward. 2, framing can also make you more attractive. Talk about the things you're passionate about, the things you value, and find those common interests with your date. This can create a connection and make you seem way more appealing. And it's not just about those first few dates. Framing can also help you set the tone for the whole relationship. The way you talk about your intentions and what you're looking for can shape the future of your connection. Clear and positive communication from the start can help you build a healthy and happy relationship. And even if you're already in a relationship, framing can still work wonders. It can help you navigate those tricky disagreements, express your needs in a way your partner understands, and keep things feeling positive and fulfilling. Okay, hang on a second. Just jumping in real quick to tell you to stick around until the end of this video if you want to learn how you can get all of the lessons, AI prompts, templates, and software you need to build a business, build a website, funnel, and product, and create a full marketing campaign in less than 30 days. Plus, you can learn how to rewire your brain for success in finances, love, and relationships in just 10 minutes a day. And the best part? You can get access to all of this, including incredible marketing software that's added in as a bonus, for under $100. Yep, you heard that right. Less than $100. Okay, back to the video. All right, before we get too carried away with all this framing business, let's have a quick heart-to-heart about keeping things real. Framing is not about lying or pretending to be someone you're not. That's a recipe for disaster, and I'd never encourage you to do that. It's about showcasing your best self in a way that's still true to who you are. Remember, honesty is the best policy. So don't go overboard trying to impress your date with tall tales and exaggerated stories. Honesty builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any solid relationship. If you start things off with a lie, you're basically building your love life on quicksand. Respect is key. When you talk about what you want and what you're looking for, make sure you're also respecting your date's feelings and boundaries. It shows you care and creates a safe space for both of you to be yourselves. And be your fabulous self. At the end of the day, you want someone to like you for you, not some made-up version of you. Authenticity is attractive, and it'll lead to way more fulfilling relationships in the long run. If they like the real you from the start, you'll never have to worry about keeping up a facade, and you'll always know that they're sticking around because they genuinely like you. So let's see how you can actually use the framing technique in your own dating life. Framing your best self. Instead of saying, I'm in between jobs right now, try something like, I'm taking some time to explore new opportunities and figure out my next career move. This way, you're not dwelling on the negative, but showing that you're ambitious and proactive. No one wants to date a lazy Larry. And instead of saying, I'm nervous about this date, try framing it as, I'm excited to get to know you better. This shifts the focus from your anxiety to the positive possibilities of connecting with your date. It also shows confidence, which is always attractive. And instead of saying, I don't want to rush into anything, try framing it as, I'm really enjoying getting to know you, and I'm looking forward to seeing where things go. This lets them know you're interested, but you're also setting healthy boundaries. Remember, there's no pressure to do anything you're not ready to do. Take things at your own pace, but if you do want to take things slow, make sure to let the other person know you like them. And if you're already coupled up, framing can still add some sparkle to your relationship. Instead of pointing fingers and blaming each other, try seeing disagreements as a chance to grow and understand each other better. It's like turning a lemon into lemonade. You're taking something potentially negative and making it positive. Instead of saying, you always forget to do the dishes, try something like, hey, I'd really appreciate it if we could team up to keep the kitchen clean. It would make me feel so much more relaxed and happy. This focuses on working together and creating a positive outcome, rather than just nagging. Express your needs and desires in a way that focuses on how they can benefit both of you. It's not just about what you want. It's about what you can create together. And instead of saying, I'm bored with our routine, try framing it as, I'm craving a little adventure. Let's plan something new and exciting to do together this weekend. This shifts the focus from boredom to excitement and invites your partner to join you in creating new memories. And finally, celebrate your partner's strengths. Instead of focusing on what they could do better, let them know how much you appreciate the awesome things they already do. Tell them how much you love their sense of humor, their creativity, or their unwavering support. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in building a strong and loving relationship. All in all, framing is a game changer when it comes to dating and relationships. By choosing your words carefully and focusing on the positive, you can create a more attractive version of yourself, build a deeper connection with your partner, and foster a relationship that's built on mutual respect, understanding, and love.